Good morning everyone. Today again start our virtual class. So everybody open your copy. Today's date is 17th September 2020. Day is Thursday. Subject is French. Today topic accent. That is very important topic. Without knowledge of accent, you not pronounce properly. So today we discuss the basic rules and accent on French language. So everybody open your copy. I write in the board, you write in your copy. So today discuss the accent, that means accent. There are 4 accents in French literature, French language. Number 1, accent aigu. Accent aigu. Here is accent aigu. That means sound A, full smile. That is full smile. Accent aigu, full smile. When we pronounce A, you put accent aigu upon on a vowel. Accent aigu, that is full smile. A. Example, Lakme. Example, Lakme. Sound A. Parle-ji. 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 Full smile. A. Parle-ji. Pokemon. Pokemon. Sound Pokemon. So when we pronounce A, Pokemon, Parle-ji, Lakme, A sound, you put accent aigu upon on a vowel. That is sound A. That's called accent aigu. Number 1. Number 2, accent grave. Accent grave. Accent grave, that means opposite of accent aigu. Always put on upon on a vowel. When sound A, when sound pronounce A, you put accent grave. I again pronounce, when pronounce A, the different type of pronunciation, you put accent grave upon on a vowel. Example, père. Père, accent grave. That means father. A sound. Mère, upon on a vowel. A sound. That means mother. Frère, that means brother. Okay? So when the different type of pronunciation pronounce, you put accent grave upon on a vowel. That is père. That is mère. That is frère. Okay? And number 3, that is accent circumflex. 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 What is it? When the pronunciation is very fast. When you pronounce the first pronunciation, that put upon on a vowel, circumflex. First pronunciation, fast. That means tat. Put upon on a vowel, tat. That means head. Bat. That means beast. Okay. Ut. A-O-U accent circumflex T. Ut, you already knowing that the month of August. So when we pronounce the first pronunciation, you put circumflex. That means that, bat, ut. So number 1, accent aigu. That is Lakme, cosmetics company, Lakme. A, full smile. Parle-ji, Pokemon. Okay. Then second, accent grave. that means grave accent. Père, different type of pronunciation. Père, that means father. Mère, that means mother. Frère, that means brother. And circumflex, when you pronunciation very fast, that means tat, first pronunciation, that means a. Pet, that means first pronunciation, that means best. Ut, that means month of August. So when we pronounce first pronunciation, use accent circumflex. So accent aigu, accent grave, circumflex. Write it. Again repeat. Accent aigu, full smile. A, lac me, parler, poke. Accent grave, first different type of pronunciation. A, sound A. Père, that means father. Mère, that means mother. Frère, that means brother. Circumflex, when you pronounce first pronounce. Tat, first pronounce, that means head. Pet, that means beast, first pronounce. Ut, that means August. Okay? I erase it. And number 4, that is Sedil. Number 4, that is also Sedil. What is Sedil? Sedil is upon on a C, S. That is Sedil. When it is used, after C, if you put any 5 vowel, the sound will be converted to hard sound. Like example, C, A, C, A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowel. After C, if you put any 5 vowel, the sound will be converted to hard sound. That is Ka, that is K, that is Ki, that is Ko, that is Q. Okay? The sound will be converted to hard sound. After C, if you put any 5 vowel, A, E, I, O, U, the sound will be converted to hard sound. C, A, Ka, C, E, K, C, I, Ki, C, O, Ko, and C, U, Ko. But if you put Sedil, the sound will be converted to soft sound, that means soft. That is Sedil, 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 Sedil. Then A, E, I, O, U. Then sound will be converted to Sa, Se, Si, So, Su. Hard sound convert to soft sound. Example, G-A-R-C-O-N. G-A-R, gar, C-O-N, con. Garcon. But there is no sound garcon in French language. But G-A-R, gar, Cécile O-N. G-A-R, gar, Cécile, that's saw, O-N-O, Cécile O-N, son. Garçon. Garçon means boy. Write it. So today we discuss the accent chapter, that is very important chapter. Without knowledge of accent, you will not pronounce properly. Okay? And one thing I also discussed today, that is rule of pronunciation. Okay? After any 5 vowel, if you put N or M, the sound will be converted to nasal sound. Otherwise not. Suppose A, E, I, O, U. After 5 vowel, if you put N or M, the sound will be converted to nasal sound. Suppose A-N or A-M, nasal. E-N or E-M, that is also nasal. I-N or I-M, also nasal. ON or OM, that also nasal. UN or UN, that is also nasal. That means that is the rules of French language. After any 5 vowel, if you put N or M, the sound will be converted to nasal sound. That is the basic rules of French language. Write it and note down also. After any 5 vowel, if you put N or M, the sound will convert to nasal sound. I repeat again. After any 5 vowel, if you put N or M, the sound will be converted to nasal sound. Today we discussed the accent chapter and rules of the French language rules, how to pronounce properly, the knowledge of accent, and also how to convert in normal sound to nasal sound, the basic rules. So you have to practice in your home. If you have any problem, any doubt, just contact me. I have to rectify your problem. So today is for that. Till then, bye bye.